Good morning, guys. In front of me is iPad Pro, and let me show you how to reset all content and settings. At first, open the settings. Then select General. Here scroll all the way down and mark Transfer or Reset. And here you will notice Erase all content and settings. If you truly want to do it, just tap on Continue. Then tap on Erase iPad. Provide your screen time passcode. You can skip the backup or leave it, however you prefer. Then provide your Apple ID password. So let me do it off the screen. And just give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so here it is. Now just wait. And that's it. Now unlock your device and set it up again. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.